पावसान मान्सूना पयलींच राज्यांत आगमन केल्लें आसा. बुधवार तशेंच बिरेस्तारा राजधानीत तशेंच गोंयच्या हेर कांय भागांनी पावसाची झड लागली. हो मान्सूना पयलो पावस आसा म्हण म्हायती पणजी वेधशाळेन दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
The usual onset of monsoon at Goa is supposed to be in the time of June 6th. Around June 6th, the monsoon rains approach Goa, while the normal onset of monsoon for the entire country, that it is reaching to the south of Kerala, is June 1st. So as of now, the conditions are being observed by IMD. We are not in a state to declare the date of exact onset of monsoon. Once the conditions are monitored and they are found favorable for the declaration of onset of monsoon, that will be done. We are expecting it to be near around 1st of June. Rains. These are not part of monsoon rainfall. These are actually thunderstorm rains which happen as a result of thunderstorm clouds that are developing. With the present conditions around Goa, there are more than one weather systems that are prevailing. We call it wind discontinuity, we call it trough. Such systems are there in Karnataka side and Marathwada side, that is in Maharashtra. So in those inland regions, there are so many thunderstorm clouds being developed. So along with the wind, these clouds travel up to Goa and they are giving rainfall in Goa region. So similar rainfall was received in Goa yesterday, and we received almost fairly widespread, that is more than 50% of the rainfall recording stations reported rainfall. The highest rainfall that we got was 15.4 mm, that we call as moderate rainfall, light to moderate rainfall. So this condition is going to prevail for more than 2 days. That means we have given rainfall from thunderstorm. We have forecasted it for 3 more days. So there is chance that every evening there is this thunderstorm clouds popping up and they are coming up to Goa side, and sometimes in the entire Goa state or sometimes in isolated regions that will be giving rainfall. The particular speciality of this season's rainfall is they will be associated with thunderstorm, like that will be having lightning and thunder and sometimes gusty winds. So this is how that is different from a normal monsoonal rainfall. This being so much isolated, there is very less chance that the entire state is getting rainfall like the monsoon rains. Only some isolated pockets of region in Goa with getting higher rainfall, and the distribution will be highly varying. Some places will be getting around 50 mm or 20 mm sometimes, while the other regions will be getting very less amount of rainfall.